All right, this is 10 days after application of MOHS to the front door. DIY's 3-year graphene ceramic on the back. And remember that I had a taped off area where I put no coating. And this is kind of cool. As I've been driving back and forth to work on the wet roads, you can definitely see a line there on how much more dirt there is that's sticking to any unprotected surface. So ceramic coating is already showing its benefits, that there, I would say 50%, 75%, maybe less dirt there that's sticking. The big benefit is when I go to wash this, as soon as water hits that ceramic coated side, it's going to do a little bit of a self-cleaning ability that they call it. The dirt will be pulled up in those tight water beads and fall off the vehicle. So a customer just came over and picked up his truck, and I was talking to him about the benefits of ceramic coating, and I was pouring some water on this door, and I have to show you this too. So when I pour water on the MOHS, it just drops. It cannot stay on the vehicle, and look how easily it takes the dirt with it. I'll pour it here on the untreated section and see how it hangs up. Look at that. It's like stuck like Velcro. DIY's graphene is performing awesome as well. But look how much dirt, just by pouring that on the panel, it takes that grit and dirt with it. And it's still pretty dirty underneath. There's still water hanging there. But just showing you how the water will just take that dirt with it. Very cool.